If you are running Vertex AI in Google Cloud and receiving this error contextual version conflict, then the fix is simple. All you need to do is to use the correct version of Shapely. So go up a little, and then where you are installing this Google Cloud AI platform, simply replace it with this command. This is where we are using the correct version of Shapely. So let's reinstall it. And normally what I do, I just restart and run all so that it will simply run all, or you can start from here. I just want to do it cleanly. So let it run and wait for it to finish. This one is done. Now this one is running. And this is where we last time got the error. So let's wait for it to finish to see what it does. And let's wait for it to start running. Vertex AI is initializing at this step. After this, okay, this time you see that we didn't get any error, and the error is gone, and our prompt has returned the correct response from the model. So this is it. I hope that this helps. If you still have any confusion or if you still are facing error, please feel free to put it in the comments and I'll be happy to help. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.